2014 M5 BMW. I'm gonna with 37,000 miles. So I'm gonna show y'all how to access the battery. If you ever run into a situation where the battery is dead and you need to change your battery, I'm gonna show y'all the proper way to change it and where it's located on an M5 BMW 2014. So you go to the trunk, pop it. Your battery is going to be located under this cover here. Once you pull it up, there's going to be two tabs you have to loosen. This one here and this one here. Once you loosen those, they should pop right up. So we're going to go grab a tool. Make sure it fits. Press these here. This pops up. This comes out. And then you have access to your battery right here. So once you remove those two 10s and you remove the cover in the trunk, you will see that the battery is located right underneath, and all you do is fold this up. This can actually come out too if you want to pull this panel off. That'll allow you to access the battery to really get it out. So I just wanted to make a short video, a little quick short video on how to access the battery from in the trunk of an M5. And there you go. 2014 M5 BMW.